Implant contra-angle maintenance. Maintenance for long-lasting performance. Step 1. Preparation. Remove the burr before oiling. Step 2. Cleaning. Place the handpiece in water and run it for 30 seconds to flush out internal debris. Use a cotton swab dipped in alcohol to clean the fiber optic light. Then dry and wipe thoroughly. Step 3. Lubrication. Lubricating oil is injected into the chuck from the hole. Insert the dedicated nozzle firmly into the rear of the handpiece. Continue until clean lubricant flows out of the handpiece. Step 4. Dry the handpiece. After lubrication, use an air syringe to blow out excess oil from the handpiece. Step 5. Drainage. Place the handpiece in an empty cup and let it stay for 15 minutes until all remaining oil drains out. Step 6. Sterilization. Seal the handpiece into a disposable sterilization pouch and place it into the autoclave for sterilization.